Hello everyone, today I'm making a new video about this new app I found. By the way, sorry I haven't been uploading in a while, but it's called Cheetah Keyboard. Basically, what you do, it's where you can get custom keyboards, for example like this. You can get custom keyboards for your phone. Which I am actually going to download this one because it actually looks pretty cool. But I have made my own custom keyboard, which I've made two. I'll show you guys both of them in a second. But I want to quickly see this one, like apply. I'll see what this one's like. Oh, this is cool. Okay. It's got bullet holes in the background. Sick. Nice. But I'll show you guys my ones. DIY. No, cancel. This is to make a new one. I'll show you guys how to make a new one in a second. But at the minute, I want to try find the ones that I have made. Where are they? 3 themes out. Yay. Okay, I've got 3 themes. Sick. Theme, no. Settings, no. Where could it be? Oh wait, this is where you get the achievements. Sick. I didn't know that. But okay, I'm gonna try find the ones I've made. Where could they be? Oh, I know. If I click on my profile, here we go. These are my ones. Not this one, and not this one. These two. So this one's mine, I think. Nope, this one's not mine. This one's... is this one mine? I think this... Is this one mine? Oh, DIY theme. There we go. These are mine. So, I have this one. You can hear it's making sound. I'll put my sound up even. Making a very faint sound. Oh. Come on. DIY theme. And then this one, I put like a green and blue and like tech in the back. I wish I could edit this. Like, can I? I can go way further with this. Oh, sick. I didn't know I can edit it this much. Themes. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. This. Actually, do you know what, guys? I'm going to show you how to make your own custom keyboard. So, see this button at the bottom. It's called DIY. So, what you do, you click this. And then it's going to ask you for a background. Which I'm going to pick hashtag Team Mellow. Well, I kind of want the Alan Walker one though. I don't know. Oh. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going Team Mellow. I'm sorry. I just need to. Actually, no. I'm gonna go Alan Walker. Such a hard choice, but I'm doing it. There you go. Then it's gonna ask you for the style of your letters. I'm gonna go with I'm gonna go with this one. Actually, no. This one. Okay. Wait, will it let me pick my colour? Now it will. There you go. This, and then I'm gonna go, what font? I'm just gonna go through every single like font. Well, that's kind of cool. This one, I think. No, not that one. This one. This one. I'll just go with this one. Then, what sound? Nah. That's kind of cool. I want something like music-ish. That's beach. Music? That's kind of cool. And this one? No, this one. Yeah. Then effect. Is there any music effect? Like sound? Nah. Oh wow, there's a mean dude. Oh wow, that's cool. This one? Oh, that's kind of cool. But now I'm gonna go with this girl. There we go. And then that will be it. So save. Oh, I'm just gonna call it Alan Walker. Keyboard. There we go. And I'm gonna just quickly pause the video here because I don't want you guys to see my email. There you go, guys. I've added my email, and now, as you can see, I can type with it. Just to prove that this doesn't work just on the app. It works on literally anything. For example, if I want to, let's just say, type in Google, I now have that keyboard. Oh. That was interesting. When I tried to search something, it makes that sound. That's kind of cool. Okay. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick review on that. I guess see you guys in the next video. So, peace.